We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, and what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, this is the last video of 2020. What a year this has been. I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you to everybody that has kept up with me on social media, on my Instagram, especially because I'm more active on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. It's Mumsie. That's just that. It's Mumsie. And yeah, I know I haven't been as consistent on my YouTube, and that's because honestly it's just been a tough year. Honestly, it's just been a really tough year. Emotionally, mentally, I was just not okay, and I think everybody has been affected some way by everything that has been happening in the world. And yeah, it's been quite the year. But you know, I was saying to my parents the other day, I think actually, yeah, I was saying this to them on Christmas Day. Well, you know what, I'm so grateful that we have made it to another Christmas. This year has been really tough, and we really need to be grateful. If you're watching this video, please take a moment to just say thank you and show gratitude for just the fact that you still have breath in your lungs, because some people unfortunately have not made it to the end of this year. And honestly, my heart goes out to every single person that has lost a loved one this year. And you know, I just send all my love and I send positive vibes, positive energy your way. I hope that God will give you strength, that you will find strength, and you'll just be encouraged to just keep going. It's tough. Dealing with loss is it's tough, and it'll get easier. And yeah, I just send positive vibes and positive energy your way, and I pray that you'll find strength in this tough time. But I'm so glad that you are watching this right now, because it means that, you know, God has kept you and has protected you and kept you safe, and he has brought you this far. And just I'm grateful and thankful to God for that. Yeah, 2020 was a rough year, but even in the midst of the storm, God has really shown himself mighty and great. You know, God has blessed me with a job, blessed me with a car, blessed me with opportunities to work with people that I never thought that I would get a chance to work with. Got to have my first international speaking engagement, and I will always go back to talking about that because it was a really big moment for me, and I believe that was a stepping stone for a lot of great things to happen. So I'm excited to see where that journey will go, and yeah, I'm just grateful for that experience. I've started learning how to drive, and that's really great. And yeah, it's just honestly 2020 has been a roller coaster of a year. But like I said, I'm just grateful that I'm still here to tell the story. I'd also just like to take this chance, this opportunity to say thank you to everybody that has just been so kind to me and been sending me messages of just love throughout this year. I don't think you realize how much those messages have really helped me to get through this year. It honestly means a lot to me. I don't know how to explain it, but it really gives me courage. It keeps me going, it gives me strength, and it gives me that motivation to keep going. So thank you to everybody that has been kind in this season, that has been nice, that has said nice things about me, said nice things to me. Everybody that has watched my videos, shared them, everybody that has engaged with me, DM'd me, spoken to me this year. You guys don't understand how great of an impact you guys have made in my life this year, especially. My mental health has been on I don't even know what to call that, but that has really kept me going, and I just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 2021 is upon us, and just, you know, the last sermon at church was encouraging us to always make prayer a priority. And going into 2021, please take time to just pray over yourself, pray over your family, your friends, pray for other people, release whatever negative energy that you might be harboring. Forgive people. Just try and find ways to forgive whoever you need to forgive, even if it's forgiving yourself for whatever mistakes that you might have made, not just this year but just generally in the past. You know, forgive yourself. Don't go into 2021 or not only that, you know, holding grudges. Don't go into 2021 with that baggage. Let go and enter 2021 with a completely brand new mindset. I pray that 2021 will be a beautiful year for you, and that you will be granted all your heart's desires. I pray that we will all find peace, we will all find joy, we will all find love. Not just love from other people, but we'll find love even within ourselves. That we will learn to love ourselves. We will forgive ourselves. We will make ourselves a priority. We will prioritize our relationship with God. We will pray more. We will love more. We will laugh more. 2020 has been tough, but I am so glad that it is over and we can look back and say, but regardless, God got me through it. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed your holidays with your families. And if you were not with your families, I just hope that you did still enjoy yourself, that you are well rested, you are well taken care of. And guys, please let us continue to stay safe, keep ourselves and our loved ones safe, do what needs to be done. We know the right thing to do. Let's make wise decisions so that we can eventually go back to living life as we know it. Because I don't know about you, but I am so sick of this whole pandemic. But anyway, guys, let me just close it off here. Like I said, it's the last video of 2020, so I will definitely see you in the new year. I'm excited for 2021. I'm not going to say anything about 2021 and the plans that I have. You guys will see. Keep up with me. Like I said, follow me on Instagram. That is where you will actually get to. I'm more active on Instagram, so do the right things and follow me on Instagram. It's Mumsie. The link is in the description box below. But yeah, guys, thank you for an interest in 2020, and I will definitely see you guys in the new year 2021. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you are grateful for in this season. Let's reflect on 2020 in the in the comment section. Do share this video with somebody who might need to hear it or see it, and if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye, guys.